So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Masood Ali and I hope you're all safe in home, and I am trying to give value here. So basically today I'll be speaking on design thinking. So what is design thinking? Design thinking is anything where it solves the problem of a user. It may be a physical product or even the software that would be helpful for the user, and he or she might find it easier to use the product. And design thinking, it's basically designer thinking and assuming the challenges of the user and helping it solve. That's what design thinking is. Design thinking basically consists of 5 things: empathy, define, ideate, test, and prototype. So I'll be making a detailed video of all these points in my later videos, and I'll put it in a playlist so that it'll be easy for you people to understand. And design thinking, what else can we say? We can say basically like how a user think, how can we solve the problem of the user by creating a new solution, or creating a solution without any problem basically. So like if you're creating like there is a problem, for example, there are square wheels. Okay, for how do we make it move faster, more efficiently? So we make round wheels again. And what material do we use? Do we use rock? Do we use rubber? Do we use metal? So based on what actually, so our problem should not create a problem. Our solution should not create a problem of mileage here again. So that's one point. So if you use rubber, our vehicle moves fast on air, basically the air pressure. So so that's what design thinking is all about. It's basically solving a problem without creating another problem. That's it. So thank you for watching my video. I'll keep you posted with this, and do follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the link below. And yes, I hope you enjoyed, and I have given you value. So thank you. Like, share, and subscribe with your friends. Like and share with your friends. Like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon. So meet you next time.